Hey Amazon sellers, in this video we'll share 3 proven strategies that can help you lower your ACoS without sacrificing your sales. So if you're looking for ways to optimize your Amazon advertising campaigns and improve on your overall profitability, you are in the right place, so stay tuned. I'm Rick Wong, an Amazon seller and the founder of SellerMetrics, an Amazon PPC agency. If you're interested in content such as this one where we talk about the latest Amazon FBA news, tips, and hacks, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. To start, let's first understand what ACoS is and why it matters. ACoS stands for Advertising Cost of Sales. It's also called ACoS, which is a ratio of your ad spend to your sales revenue. In other words, it measures the cost effectiveness of your advertising campaign. A high ACoS could mean that your ad is costing you more than the sales that they're generating, which can eat into your profits. So to improve on your profitability, it is crucial to lower your ACoS. Now, let's discuss some specific strategies that can help you achieve this goal. The first tip to lower your ACoS is to bid for relevant long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are highly specific search terms that are less competitive and more targeted than broader keywords. By bidding on long-tail keywords, you can reach customers who are searching for exactly what you're offering. This can help increase your conversion rates and lower your ACoS. To find long-tail keywords, you can use the new search query report under the brand analytics tool, or review your advertising search term report to identify relevant high-performing keywords. The second strategy is to use dayparting. Dayparting is a practice of scheduling your ads to run only during specific time of the day or the week. By using dayparting, you can optimize your ad spend and target your ads when your audience is most likely to convert. For example, if you're selling a product that's popular in the evening, you can schedule your ads to run only during the evening hours. This can help improve your ad targeting and lower your ACoS by reducing the spend during less effective hours. Here at SellerMetrics, we have a smart and automated way to implement dayparting for our clients. That allows for you to set your dayparting using the actual sales data on your Seller Central and then apply it across multiple campaigns all at once. You can further check out our SellerMetrics software with dayparting using the link below with a free 14 days trial. Lastly, and what I deem the most important and impactful optimization you can do is to negate poor performing keywords. Quite frankly, this is probably the lowest hanging fruit that I don't see all Amazon sellers implementing. Negative keywords are keywords that you don't want your ads to show up for. By using negative keywords, you can prevent your ads from being shown to irrelevant or uninterested shoppers, which in turn will lower your ACoS. To identify negative keywords, also review your advertising search term report regularly and add negative keywords as needed to improve your ad targeting. By doing so, you improve the relevancy of your ads and attract more qualified traffic to your listing. So there you have it, 3 specific ways to help you lower ACoS immediately without sacrificing your sales. So to summarize, the first strategy is to bid on long-tail keywords. 2, use dayparting. 3, negate poor performing keywords. And by implementing these strategies and regularly monitor and adjust your campaigns, you can improve on your profitability and take your Amazon business to the next level. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're an Amazon seller and want to grow your business, schedule a discovery call with me on the link below. Until the next video drop, happy selling.